I just received this lock in the mail from a good friend on YouTube, Brian from Northern Ireland. This is a Kasp. It's a 14040. It looks similar to a American lock, and the bitting on the key shows it to be a 6-pin. So let's open it up and see what kind of pins are in this lock. Okay, we're going to use top of the keyway. And we're going to use this little small pick. We're going to start at the top or the front and go to the back. Okay, just got a little movement out of pin 1. Pin 2 gives a little bit more false set. Okay, a little bit more false set out pin 6. Get a little feedback on pin 5. Some on pin 4. Pin 2 and pin 3 went a little bit, moved a little bit more. Okay, a little more false set with pin 1. A little bit more out of pin 5. Okay, pin 1 feels like it's set. So does pin 2. Let's go back to pin 1 again. Very close quarters. It definitely has some spools and serrated pins. Okay, there it is open. Complete pin 2. Alright, let's open her up and see what type pins are in this lock. Let's see, I think we're going to need a Phillips if it's like the American. Yes. Okay, there's the cylinder assembly out. Alright, let's see if we can get the clip off the back. Okay, we got the keys, so let's go ahead and lock it up. And remove this clip. May be easier said than done. There we go. All right. See if we can slide her out. And it's hanging. I better shim it. Alright, let's try that now. Okay, let's check our bottom pins first. Okay, it has a standard serrated steel pin, looks like. Okay, another serrated pin, serrated pin, serrated, serrated, and no serration on that last pin, I don't believe. Okay, let's check our top pins. Get the shim out of the way. Okay, that is a another steel pin or anti-drill pin, standard pin. Okay, there is a spool. And there is another spool. There is a almost a standard top pin. Looks like it's got little grooves cut in the top and bottom. Okay, another spool in number 5 position. And the last one is a spool. Okay, let's look at the plug. Okay, nothing unusual about the plug, just a plain standard plug. Alright, let's get us a close-up look of the pins. Okay, serrated key pin, anti-drill pin looks like, and the same thing on the upper pin is standard. On this pin number 2, you've got a serrated key pin and a spool. On number 3 and 4, you have a serrated key pin and a spool. 4, you have a serrated key pin, and then this weird looking pin. I guess it looks kind of like an ASA pin. Got a little groove cut in the top and bottom of the standard pin. On 5 and 6, okay, you have a spool on number 5 and a serrated key pin on number 5. And on number 6, it's just a standard key pin with a spool. Okay, that's what we have in this Kasp lock, Kasp. Appreciate you watching. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And I really appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you very much.